Hey everyone, welcome to Paintastic Arts. My name is Prajakta and in today's video we are going to review this smart art box which I got from United States, and I'm quickly going to show you guys what's in there and how can we use it. So the link to buy this box is already there in the description below. Their website is by the name smartartbox.com. Let's open it up. It's wrapped in a bright orange paper, making it look so cool. Okay, first up here are these two paint brushes. One is a fan brush and the other is a round brush. Both of them have hard bristles, so I'm sure they are really very good for impasto painting and even oil painting. Their March art box is focusing more on impasto painting and oil painting, and it's already mentioned in their brochure over here. The items available inside the smart art box, its uses, some projects and a lot many things. So you can see we have these two art projects, and the step-by-step instructions on how to make these projects is already given in the brochure inside. And we'll definitely do one of these towards the end of our video. Next up here we have a set of palette knives, and it contains 5 different types of palette knives. Then we have over here are these loose acrylic sheets, and these are also called as canvas textured boards. Let's open this up. I really like the size of these canvas textured boards. We can make small art projects and later maybe we could just frame it. The sheets are quite thick and best to do impasto painting, oil painting and even acrylics for that matter. We have 2 such packets inside the box, and it's pretty much enough to do a couple of art projects. Next we have over here is this beautiful set of oil colors. It's a set of 24 oil colors, each with 12 ml. I'm really excited to use these ones, and these are made in Netherlands and are by the brand called Art Creations. I'm quickly going to show you guys all the colors so that you know what all shades are available. And I'm also going to do one of their art projects. It's like an art challenge, and so yeah, let's get it started. I'm just using a plain black paper behind so that my desk doesn't get spoiled. Like I said before, all the instructions are already mentioned in their smart art booklet, and I am definitely going to refer to that. Step number 1 is to secure your canvas board to a surface using a tape or a clip. And then I'm going to put this drawing tape, and it's also called as masking tape, and it's easily available online. Then I'll be using some warm colors to make a background, and you can see I've used white, yellow, red, orange, brown, which are all from the kit available inside the box. And now we are going to use a bigger knife and spread this color as shown. Step 3 is making the vase in titanium white, blue and any other shades of blue. Then we use green to make some stems and the leaves. Followed by using black and some yellow. We make some sunflowers out of these. And to finish this up, we are going to add some more textured leaves. I'm using some dark green and light green, and here's it. We have completed our project. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you take this smart art challenge, and it'll be really very exciting to do if you really love art. And don't forget to hit a like for this video and even subscribe to my channel if you want to view more such art videos and more such art reviews. Thank you.